Mr. Frank, the warrant's at the office. We'll see it when we get there.
What warrant was that? Show me one.
It's at the office. I'll show it to you when we get there. Don't have it with me.
No, you can't arrest me.
Yes, sir, I can.
No, you need to show me a warrant.
Get off the tractor.
Show me a warrant.
Step off the tractor. Sir. Step off the tractor. Step off of the tractor, I'm going to take you. Get off the tractor. Step off of the tractor. You don't have no warrant. Step off of the tractor. Show me a warrant.
Mr. Frank?
It's confirmed?
Yeah.
No, it ain't.
Get off the tractor, Mr. Frank.
What the fuck you hit me?
Get off of the tractor now.
You don't have no warrant. Get off the tractor, dude. Get the fuck off.
Come on out, Smith.
Get off the goddamn tractor!
Taser deployed.
God damn it, get it!
Get off the tractor, now!
Oh, God damn it!
2 days deployed.
Fuck!
No. What's his location? Follow up on time.
Off the tractor! Off the tractor! 10-4, we're still fighting. Get off the tractor, now!
123
Get off the tractor, Mr. Frank.
Zero seven dispatch. What's that location? Follow up on time.
Walmart parking lot, 3 uses of taser.
Hit him with that taser, did you? Yeah, probably.
132, Sheriff's Office headed to Warrant.
Come on, Mr. Frank, move your leg. Get off the tractor. Are you on his other leg? No. I got his shoulders. Good. Stop fighting this, you're making it worse. Why not? Still trying to get him off the track.
I got a warrant out of duress.
Mansour parking lot on the side of the building.
You ain't got no damn warrant for arrest.
Anybody on the side of the building?
10-4. When you come into the parking lot, head straight left down the furthest lane on the side. Subject isn't actively fighting anymore, but we still can't get him moved.
You on the opposite side of the tire service?
You ain't got no damn
10-4. Opposite side is the tire service.
Let me out. Let me out.
Go, son. It's not good. You know what one on that.
Let me out. I'm back.
Move your right leg. Get your right leg up into the seat.
Wait till we get at least another I got. Let me out.
97 with him.
Let me out. Let me out. Let me out.
Quit resisting. Motherfucker, come on.
Drag him out. Got him? Oh, finally drag him out.
Put him down. Let him go. Put him in cuffs.
1021.
One more parking lot with this suspect.
Go for it, 1015.
Always focus how on outside the building.
Code 4.
1015.
SMH coming away.
29's coming 29 on the side of the Walmart.
Get him up.
10-4, I need that for you.
He's there waiting us. He's there waiting.
Where the head goes, the bottom must follow. Gotta get that. Right here. Put him in this.
No, bro.
All right, Bubba.
Oh, yeah.